So this is the first time old mate has bought this Ford Ranger to me, and every time I do one of these cars I tell them first time, let's just do all your filters. Oh, but it's always gone to the dealership. Probably a better fucking reason to be doing all the filters. So I'll just filled it up with brake cleaner. Give it a little swish, mate. Look at all that goodness. Oh. That's why we do what we do, people. So now that the fuel filter housing has been cleaned out, what we're hoping to see is nothing. Well, it's definitely not the worst pollen filter, but it is definitely in need of replacement. And as for the air filter, any good mechanic will tell you that is due for replacement.